Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. And for that you will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. Works with buttons. So you will need the power button for and as well the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having now a screenshot. No? After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and as well the volume down button just for short together and you're having here a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you have also the chance to draw something inside here or to highlight something. Or what is pretty cool as well, you can copy a part of the screenshot with the corners. What is pretty cool if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And yeah, after you can share this edited part directly or with the arrow, you will send it to your gallery. Yeah, there's a second way to have a screenshot. And for that, you will need the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Yeah, and where to find the screenshots after? Of course, here at the gallery. And yeah, here the pictures, the screenshots are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done already with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to go here to the three lines. So the hamburger menu. And then you will find here the point albums. And at the albums, you will have an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.